students, very warm welcome to you in new section of class 11th. Today we will discuss about Python. Dear students, all the programs or software run in the computer or mobile are made by any programming language. Nowadays, you can see many programming language like C, C++, Java, etc. These all are the computer languages which is being written or understood by human beings. Every language has different features which makes them different to each other. In the world, many types of languages have been made. Same as Python, to which programming index community has given it to the topmost position of all the languages. So you all can assume that this language is how much better than all other languages. Now we will discuss about Python. Python is a high-level, open source, encrypted and general purpose programming language. And it uses is very easy and also it is very strong language. With the help of Python, we can make applications so fastly. Python is used in desktop for GUI application. Let us know what is GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It is a type of user interface that allows user to interact with electronic devices like computers using graphics like icons, menus, pictures, videos, websites and web applications. Python language is like C, C++ programming language. But in the other point of view, it is so easy language. Its syntax is unique, which make it easier to read. I also want to discuss about the history of Python. It was invented by Guido van Rossum. Python is based on or influenced by two programming languages. First is ABC language. ABC language are teaching language created as a replacement of BASIC. And second is Modula 3. It was started in the year 1980 and about after 10 years, 1991, it was released in the month of January 1994. Its first version Python 1.0 has been released. Its second version of Python 2.0 had been released in October 2000. Its third version Python 3.0 has been released in 2008 and the new version of Python 3.6.1 had been released in the month of March 2017. Now, the four questions of Python. What is Python? Where is Python? Who uses Python? Why uses Python? First, we will discuss about what is Python. Okay, so let us see what is Python. High-level language. Python is a high-level language. It means It is simple and user friendly, and it is quite similar to English language. High level language need to be translated into machine language by a translator program. Next, object oriented language. Object oriented language is a programming language model that organizes software design around data or objects rather than function and logics. Next, dynamic tag system. In Python, dynamic tag system and automatic memory management system already exists. Because of it, the maintenance of program and the deployment is so economical. Next is interpreted. Python has its own library, so it can be interpreted so easily during making software or programs. Last one, multipurpose. It means it is a multipurpose programming language. We can use it in desktop for GUI application, website and different types of web applications. Now, the next question is, where is Python? Where is Python? Web programming. Dear students, as we know, there are many websites are in the field of computer. So we can use Python in web programming. Desktop application. There are many types of desktop application which helps the desktop running so easier. So we can use this language in desktop application. Games and media. We can use it in games and media also. Next, automation. It is used in automation. It means it performed with minimal control system for operating softwares. Last one, enterprises. It is also used in companies or enterprises. Our next question is, who uses Python? There are many big and multinational companies are doing their work in Python, like Google, Facebook, Quora, Spotify, Instagram, Dropbox, IBM, Mozilla, and even NASA also works in Python. Our next question is, why uses Python? Why uses Python? Or features of Python. First is easy to code. It is very easy to code with very simple syntax. Next, free and open source. For beginners, it is unchargeable. It means there is no need to give money for license. This is a free software in general public license. Next, portable. Due to its open source nature, Python has been ported to many platforms. You can use Python on Linux, Windows, Palm operating system, PlayStation and etc. Extensible. If you need a critical piece of code to run, you can code that part of your program in C or C++ and then use them for your Python program. Next, extensive libraries. It has standard libraries. It can help you do various things involving regular expressions. There are many types of high quality libraries such as WX Python, Twisted, Python imaging libraries, Pandas, NumPy, Scikit, Learn, and are also Python libraries. That's all about Python. Thank you, students.